Hey Joey, I am trying to put together a trial balance, but I am a little fuzzy on a few things. Can you help me?
Sure thing. Let me see what you got. The purpose of the trial balance is to make sure your debits equal your credits. The assets need to be ordered in the order of liquidity. In other words, how easily the assets can be turned into cash. The order of liquidity is cash, accounts receivable, supplies, then equipment. After you have your assets listed in order of liquidity, you will list your liabilities in order of current liabilities, then long-term liabilities. Next you list the owner's capital, then drawings. After your drawings come the company's revenues followed by their expenses. Remember, as you put all of this together, that assets, the owner's drawings and the expenses are listed on the debit side. Liabilities, the owner's capital and the revenues are listed on the credit side. If you filled everything out correctly, the two sides should add up to the same dollar amount.
Wow, there was a lot I was not taking into consideration. Thank you for explaining it all to me.